Hi everybody, it's Dan and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making a quick, easy, delicious chocolate whipped cream. It's going to be a homemade, fresh whipped cream with that delicious, intense, yummy chocolate flavor. And it's going to be super quick and super delicious. I'll be sure to throw a link to the recipe down below in the description. And stay tuned at the end of the video for more information about the KitchenAid stand mixer giveaway. Now let's go ahead, grab our big mixing bowl and get started on the best, most delicious, yummy homemade chocolate whipped cream. So in our large mixing bowl, we're gonna go ahead and add in our heavy cream, our cocoa powder, and our powdered sugar. Then with our hand mixer on a high speed, we're gonna go ahead and start whipping up all of our ingredients together until we get nice, firm, stiff peaks. You'll know your whipped cream is ready to go when scooped with a spoon and it holds its shape, or when it doesn't fall off your beaters or your whisk. And what I love most about this delicious chocolate whipped cream is that even though it's best the day of, it really will keep for an extra day. All you need to do is just another quick re-whip with your hand mixer and your whisk, and you are good to go. And just like that, after a couple quick minutes, you have the freshest, creamiest, chocolatey, homemade, delicious whipped cream in a bowl ready to be eaten with a spoon. And it's gonna go great with cupcakes or cake or strawberries or on hot chocolate or on ice cream. It's just so delicious all around. It's super quick, it's super easy, the perfect nice little touch on any of your afternoon snacks or evening snacks or just snack in general. Well, thank you guys for stopping by. I had so much fun making this quick, easy, homemade chocolate whipped cream. If you like more quick, easy recipes, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Helps me out, lets me know I'm baking up recipes, sharing recipes with everybody that you'll like, you want to see more of, and you're going to be trying yourself. And while you're down there giving this video a thumbs up, be sure to click that subscribe button and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video, so you don't miss out on any more yummy treats I have coming up here in the kitchen. Plus, I still have 20 KitchenAid stand mixers to give away. So if you haven't already, be sure to enter down below. Once you enter the giveaway, you'll have 20 chances to win, and lots of ways to enter. Lastly, don't forget, if you end up making your own homemade fresh chocolate whipped cream and using it on some delicious desserts you have baking in your kitchen, definitely give a tag on Instagram. Let me see what you're whipping up. Alrighty, well, I'm gonna take a big spoon of this chocolate whipped cream and maybe add it on some ice cream or some coffee. I don't know. We'll see what the day brings. But as always, I will see you all in the next video very soon. Bye.